guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Bong's Good Life. So if you are new to my channel and if you're seeing me for the very first time, then hi, this is Momita and this is my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing my haul, and this is going to be a nice mini makeup haul, and if you are interested in such videos then please continue watching. And yeah, before moving ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then you know you have to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon also. And if you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up to my video, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle also. My Instagram handle is momita.sarkar and it's already mentioned in the description box. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's start. So basically I have shopped all these makeup items from Cuffs and Lashes, and this is the very first time I have shopped anything from Cuffs and Lashes, and trust me guys, they have such good products at such affordable price. So the very first thing which I'm gonna show you is a concealer palette, and this palette is from Swiss Beauty, and yeah, this is broken. When I received the product, the outer packaging was completely broken, so yeah, I was a little disappointed with that, but apart from that, the inner product was completely intact, so I kept this product, and the price of this palette is $3.99. So for $3.99 you are getting a cream contour, color correctors plus concealers, so I guess that's quite affordable, and the pigment of this is quite good also. On the palette I will be taking this concealer and I will be showing you. So this is the pigmentation, and it gets easily blended also. So this is kind of a highlighting kind of a concealer. See, it's blended also very easily. So this was my first product. So now I will show you my second product. My second product is a gel eyeliner, and this is from Swiss Beauty. And guys, I'm in love with this product. Trust me, I'm seriously in love with this product. I like it so much. The price for this is only $179, and here you are getting not only a gel liner but also a eyebrow kit. Yeah. On the top you have a eyebrow kit plus a mirror. So actually I didn't know this. I didn't notice it. I thought it will be a gel eyeliner only. And this is a brush, and you can apply the liner with this end, and you can apply the eyebrow thing with this end. And trust me guys, I'm in love with this product. I literally love this product. I don't know why, but I just like the formula and everything, and the price of this is only $179. Can you believe that? Just $179 and you're getting a gel eyeliner plus an eyebrow kit. Okay, so now move on to my third product, and my third product is again from Swiss Beauty, and it's an eyebrow kit, and this is how the packaging is. So this is the eyebrow kit, and here you get an applicator and 3 colors and 1 eyebrow wax. But if you ask me if I choose this or this, then of course I will go with this one. So this is very pigmented. I will show you the swatches. See. So you have to be very careful while taking the product, and that is the thing which I don't like about it. But you can use it as a contour also or bronzer also. You know, you have got 3 colors. You can do anything with these 3 colors. Quite pigmented, right? Very much pigmented. I like the product anyways, and the price of this is $199 only. Okay, so the next product is a false eyelashes, and this is from Bonjour, and I have never applied false eyelashes before, but I wanted to, so I ordered 2 of them, and the price was $99 for 2 of them. And here you get a eyelash glue also, and I have applied this eyelashes in one of my look, and I have shared that video in my Instagram, so you guys can go and check it out if you want to. So yeah, these are very nice eyelashes. This doesn't make you look like you have applied something on your eyes. These are very natural looking eyelashes. So I like them a lot, and yeah, I was really happy that my first experiment was successful because I was a bit hesitant. Okay, so my fifth product is a shimmer brick, and I wanted a shimmer brick for a very long time, and this shimmer brick is also from Swiss Beauty, and this is how it looks like. So here you get 4 colors. So basically I use all 3 colors as a blush, and this I use as a highlighter. Trust me guys, you can use these colors for anything. You can use them as eyeshadow, you can use them as blush, you can use it as highlighter also. So this is a baked blusher and highlighter. So after applying the blush, you don't need to apply any highlighter on top of it. Yeah, I like this product too, but I didn't like the highlighter shade that much. I feel it's a bit powdery. I didn't like it that much. It's pigmented, but it doesn't have that, highlighting effect I feel. But apart from this color, all these colors are quite pigmented. See, and they have a shimmer also in it. So I like all these 3 colors, and the price of this is $279 only. So my next product is a lipstick, and it's a red one, and this is again from Swiss Beauty, and the shade of this is Dry Chili 01. This is a pure red color. I will show you the lip swatch at the end of the video, but now I will swatch it on my hand only. This is a pure red color, and I just love it. I just love it. And it's a soft matte lip cream, so after applying this lipstick on the lips, you will not feel like that you have applied something on your lips. Like, it's such a lightweight lipstick, and I like the formula way too much. I have never applied a lipstick which has a formula like this, and yeah, it's bang on. It's like totally bang on. I really like this product, and the price of this is only $149 guys. So my next product is a makeup fixer, and this is again from Swiss Beauty, and the price of this is $149. To be very honest guys, I will not say that I'm a huge fan of this product, but for me it's a okay kind of a product. It has vitamin E, aloe vera gel and everything. It does its job decently, but for me I feel it's a okayish kind of a product. So my last product is a eyeshadow palette, and it's a huge eyeshadow palette. I mean, you are getting 40 colors in that palette, and this palette is from Beauty Clays, and you can see the smile I'm having because I love this palette so much. I mean, just look at it. You are getting 40 colors, and all the colors are way too pigmented. Like, it's bang on guys, it's bang on. The price of this is $1399. Yeah, that's more than $1,000, but guys, you are getting 40 colors. Like, that's a good deal, right? Like 40 colors, $1399, I feel it's affordable. So guys, if you are looking for affordable eyeshadow palette, and if you are not going to buy different eyeshadow palettes, then this one is highly recommended. I will show you the swatches also, so that you guys can have a better understanding. So I will take this color, this color, this color. Oh my god, just look at the pigmentation. It is to die for. Like, it's so beautiful, it's so good, man. So now I will show you some shimmer colors. This is really an awesome palette. Like, if you're a beginner and if you want to play with colors, and if you don't want to spend too much on eyeshadows, then this one is really good. So yeah, all these products are really affordable. So yeah, now I will be showing you my lip swatch. So this is how the color is looking on me. This is a very bright red kind of a color, and this is perfect for parties and weddings. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care and spread.